This is a pre-owned 2015 Maserati GranTurismo Sport. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Maserati is a great value with less than 37,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows and window defogger.